In this video, we're gonna go over how I made $6,000 trading on chain today. Technically made a little bit more, probably like 8K ish. I don't know. I round tripped 15 overnight. That hurts. I was in this coin called Catch and I completely round tripped it, but then I made 70% on like 3K on Atbash, which is a base token. So total probably an extra 3K to this P&L, maybe a little less. Then I'm down on these other coins. So I don't know. Anyways, we'll just go over what's on here, and then give or take like 2 or 3K more. So yeah, let's start off with the best. Actually, we'll go in chronological order. So this morning, the first trade of the day was really nice. There was this coin called Clash, and this actually happened to be the fake one, but these people had created a game and it went to 1 mil on, I think, BNB, if I'm not mistaken, either BNB or Base, and they relaunched on Solana. And at first everyone thought it was this, so I blasted a bit at 60K and I ended up selling up here. And it actually wasn't this coin, and they relaunched a different one, which is now at, guess what, 600K. So honestly, I should have bought this, but it was super sniped up the second it came out. So I was just like, yeah, this is not worth it. And yeah, so we made a lot of money on the fake one. We made 16 SOL. I pretty much bought it like right after it bonded, and yeah, right here, this was my buy. And then I sold out slowly here as the bundle was selling. So yeah, that was a good trade overall. It was all speculation, but after it bonded, it just seemed like bullish. So I assumed it was them. Also, the funding was them. They dev'd the new coin from the same dev wallet. So, little farmer, so. But then we lost 5 SOL on this Snell coin, which was like in this video. I bought it and then I didn't want to sell on Nyrox, and honestly,
the description of
it was like in the video or whatever. So yeah, that was cooked. Then I made 2.2 SOL on this coin called Cutoffs, which I thought should have bonded. I thought it was really good, bro. Oh, this isn't the actual one. It's this one. Sorry. I think I was running 6 snipers on this one. Yeah. Yeah, I thought this should have bonded. I thought this was good. I mean, look, Eurus got in, Porter got in. Oh, it did bond. Oh, nice. Yeah, it bonded, after I tried running it up. No one bought over me. It was, this guy who made the coin, he got, like, quote tweeted by a bunch of these political guys. Like this, government rep, this one, just like a bunch of people were quote tweeting him, and he devved the coin, and like founded the app or whatever, and it was getting a lot of attention, so I thought it was good, but clearly, not with me in it. So we'll skip these. I made 5 SOL on straight. This was pretty good. This was stop being straight. It was a tweet from the libs of TikTok that put stop being straight. It was like a new, I don't know, LGBTQ merch, but the reason it was good is because if you look at Elon, who's the founder of Pump Fund, he has a shirt that says stop being poor on. So this was like, they made a new version of it. It was like, just gay meta because it's LGBTQ like fucking month or some shit. So anyways, yeah, I bought a 9K and I sold for a 2x at 5 SOL profit ish. And then I made 3 SOL on Teddy. This was just, I should have made more. I was up like 8 and I didn't sell. It was like there's like speculation that teddy.com is gonna be a thing. It just says opening soon, and there's like an image or whatever. So yeah, then I lost 1.4 on Rip Trump because I accidentally bought it. Then I lost 5 SOL on Arrow. I think this is such a good coin. So I lost 5 SOL on this one, Arrow. And then I realized that there's another one, and then I bought it, and I also lost 4 SOL. And I really thought this was good, bro. I don't know, just no one. I mean, it went to 100 and then went to 0, but it got super viral. Like everyone was making these like memes. They were like, here are the aerodynamics of a squirrel, beaver, this, that. It was very, very viral. Still is, and companies were posting it too. But I don't know, just no one bought it. So yeah. Then I made 2 SOL on Dead. I was farming snipers. Lost 1.8 on Iggy. Lost 5 SOL on Thabo, which was like an AI like story or whatever. But then I made 2 SOL on Murder GPT, which was Florida was suing OpenAI because it like told a guy to go do like a school shooting. So yeah, then I made Force on Yog Sothoth, which was like an AI god. I round tripped it. I thought it was really good, but it wasn't. It was an AI god. Yeah. So yeah, that was that. Then I made 13 Soul on Honey Trap. This was good. I first TX'd it. It was Sydney Sweeney's new company. But yeah, I was the first. I see the buy. I just first TX'd it, and yeah, it's like Sydney Sweeney Entertainment sort of thing. So yeah, looked pretty decent. And then I made 2 Soul on Barn, which was like an open AI thing. Then I lost, yeah, that 3 Soul on Arrow. We looked over it. Then I made 18 Soul on Koi, and Koi is a derivative. It was this like that big gah is a like trend that's going super viral, like a TikTok trend, and it's like everything finishes with an H, so like gah or bah or like all these like memes.
The craziest thing about
were finishing with all the brain rot memes are finishing with H's. So
all the
someone made coin, but koi. I don't know. Yeah. So I made a lot on that. And then I made 17 on Slop Coin, which is something cool I found. It was on the New York Times site. There's like an article and it like talks about pump fun, and it also has like a picture of this little coin right here, and it says like, can you get rich off of AI slop? Let me see if I can find it. Yeah, here. Can you get rich quick off of AI swap? And so yeah, it talks about a bunch of shit. So I thought that was pretty good. But I round tripped. I only made 20. I was up like 40. Then I lost 2 on Hydrant, 2 on DI. DI I just first TX'd and it was just like full LARP tweet. And Solana Hydrant just detected didn't work and it was LARP. But then I made 5 Soul on Propaganda, 3 Soul on this little Chinese thing, 2 Soul on Venusa, lost 3 Soul on Familiar, and then made 3 Soul on C, and that was it. So Propaganda, it was just an Elon tweet, and it said Propaganda isn't about creating fake news, blah blah blah, exactly. So Propaganda spread lies about this coin. Wow, it ended up going to 16K. Wow, I would have made Jenny. Damn, that's unfortunate. And then Big Tooth Naughty was like this like character going viral on the Chinese TikTok Douyin. And then You Shall See was an Elon tweet. You Shall See responding to like, how do you justify the IPO being so high? So it was like, Elon aura, You Shall See. So yeah, not a crazy day, but not a bad day. I can't complain. I mean, 6K, 6K. And yeah, shorter video, because we didn't really hit any crazy trades, just a bunch of small ones that added up. And yeah, you can see the chart here. It was a little rocky at first, and then it was just one big trade, and then just kind of sideways, and then a few small trades. So yeah, $6,000 one day, not bad, but I wish it was better. But the market is bad right now. The market's really, really slow. So I hope it gets better soon. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys soon. Peace.